Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to install OEM Style 4K dash cam from Fitcamx on Volkswagen CC, Passat B7, Skoda and Seat. So here is the box from the Fitcamx dash cam that can be installed very easy, just plug and play. But don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. I think it's the best factory looking hidden dash camera I ever see. You don't have wires all over your car, it's easy to install it, and it has 4K resolution.
Fitcamx has 8000 dedicated dash cams from almost every car model on the market, so check the link below from the video description and see if you find a dash camera for your car. Also, you can find installation guide in video format for almost every car model.
It has Wi-Fi connection using the Fitcamx app for downloading videos. Downloading videos is no need for mobile data traffic, can be used for Android and iOS phones. It has loop recording, auto override the oldest videos with the newest when car reaches maximum capacity. When the car starts, the driving recorder will automatically turn on. When the car is locked, the driving recorder will automatically turn off. G-sensor and lock can automatically detect sudden collision during driving and immediately save the relevant videos to the file to prevent overwriting, thereby protecting your video evidence. Super wide angle, you can get 6% off your order using the promotion code Fitcamx6 from the video description. Let's see what's in the box. So we have two small boxes. The first one, the accessories box. So the small box has a pry tool or removal tool, and then SD card reader, which you can insert the SD card to download the videos from the camera. And here is the user manual, and here are the QR codes for downloading the app, the Fitcamx app, from the App Store and the Google Play Store. So here is the instruction manual. There is in English language, Italian, Deutsch, German, Deutsch and many others. So here is the camera itself. It looks very nice. And here is the SD card. It has 32 gigabytes. And here it has a blue cover to protect the lenses. And here are those two buttons to turn on and turn off and to take a picture. And here are those two cables that you have to connect it to the rain sensor. So first, remove the mirror cover using the pry tool. You have to insert in both sides of that cover. You don't need to remove the mirror from the windshield to install the Fitcamx camera. We just have to remove the cover. We did that because we want to show it. We wanted to show you exactly how you should do it to remove the cover from the mirror. So you have to remove the cover inserting that pry tool on both sides, and then you have to take it out. Then you have to remove the plastic part, sliding it to the windshield. Then disconnect the cables from the rain sensor. Then separate those two parts from the Fitcamx camera using the pry tool. There's some tabs over there that you have to unclip it. You have one over there. You have to press on the right side to unclip it. So here are the tabs. Let's see the other part. Then connect the cables from the Fitcamx to the rain sensor and the cables from the car to the other cable of the camera. Then install those two parts from the Fitcamx camera. Don't forget to remove that blue cover from the camera. Then download the Fitcamx app from the Google Play Store for Android phones or App Store for iPhone. Next, you just write Fitcamx in the App Store, then double click to install it if you have iPhone. Then open it. Then start the engine to turn the Fitcamx camera on. And then go to Wi-Fi from your phone and select LHD and different numbers and letters. Then insert the password that you have it in the user manual. Wait to connect. After you connect the Fitcamx camera to Wi-Fi, go to Fitcamx app and click on Add Camera. So this is it. If you press on camera file, you will have here 3 categories: loop, snapshot and locked for videos. Also, you can access the camera settings. You can set the sound, you can turn on and off sound recording, the speaker volume, the image resolution, the video resolution. You have loop record options, exposure compensations, exposure compensation. You can turn on the parking monitor. In camera file, you can see 3 categories: loop, snapshot and locked. You can get 6% off your order using the promotion code Fitcamx6 from the video description. You can see that you can read license plates from other cars and also the road signs. Also, we made a video at night to check the quality of the camera, and it's very good. You can see also the license plates, the road signs. So you can find more details about Fitcamx below in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.